Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the checksum error and file is corrupted while extracting by Winrar in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and by that you would be able to open the small window called Run. Okay, so here you need for percentaged app data percentaged. Make sure that you don't put any space in between of the words or characters. Okay? Once you have typed that, proceed on clicking OK. And you would be redirected to this window where you can open a file folder called roaming. Now proceed to the upper center of the screen. You can see there are a lot of options or paths where here you need to click on app data. Click on it. And under the app data, proceed with a first file folder called local. Now double tap to it, and here at the local, you need to look for a file folder named Crush RPT, which in my case it is next to connected devices platform. Now we need to delete such. How we can do that? Please do a right click and proceed with this trashed icon. Click on it. At the moment it will be removed here, close this window and check if your problem has been fixed. So proceed with your file, do a right click, scroll down, and go with WinRAR, and go with extract to advanced run, which is the name of your folder. Click on it and wait until it will be extracted, and there we have it. Okay, so those are the steps on how to fix your problem. Hopefully this video helped you a lot. If yes, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.